In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a recovery email in Grammarly, step by step, so you can protect your account and make sure you always have a backup way to get back in. This is a really useful setting if you ever forget your password, lose access to your main email, or just want to make your Grammarly account more secure. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into Grammarly using your registered email address. Make sure you use the email that is already connected to your Grammarly account because you'll need to access the account settings from there. Once you've signed in, wait for the Grammarly dashboard to load completely. When the dashboard opens, look at the left side panel and click on the Account tab. This is where Grammarly keeps your account settings, billing details, and profile options. After that, move into the Profile section. Under Profile, you should see an option for recovery email. This is the setting we want to update so you can add a backup email address. Go ahead and click Add. Grammarly may ask you to log in again or verify your identity before making the change. This is completely normal and is just a security step to confirm that it's really you making the update. Once the verification is complete, enter any other email address that you have access to. Make sure it's an email you can actually open because this is the address Grammarly will use if you ever need account recovery in the future. After you add it, save the changes and double check that the recovery email has been successfully linked to your Grammarly account. And that's it. You've now added a recovery email in Grammarly. This is a simple but very important step because even if you can't log in with your main email later, you'll still have a backup way to access your account using the recovery email. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.